Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today, Max Pray. We've got the M1 Airless paint sprayer from Inokraft, and Max and I are gonna do some painting. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. I got my M1 Airless sprayer unpacked and pleasantly surprised. I opened it, it looked super durable and hardcore. This bad boy is awesome. Required safety goggles, troubleshooting guide and instructions. Oh, I love this big plastic glaze. It's like it's laminated, very cool. Inokraft tip extension for airless paint spray gun. Little push start valve button. It says push before prime. Take the screw cap off. Got a little tool set. Little brush, a brush to keep it clean. Get that tightened on. Now we're gonna take our spray gun and get that connected. My attention was immediately drawn to the colorful setup card, which made the priming process easy, which scares a lot of people. All right, I got it plugged in. I'm gonna make sure it's in it's turned off, and then we're gonna turn this to the prime position. Disengage the pressure lock for the gun and relieve the pressure. So we're going to put the drain tube in a waste pail, and then we'll put this guy in some water. Now we're gonna press the button to release the ball valve. Make sure this is turned to the clean position and turn it on. We're gonna take this guy out and put it in the paint. Now we'll turn it back on until the paint flows out of the drain tube. Now we're gonna bring the paint up to the gun. Now when the paint comes out, release the gun trigger. Now let's put our lock back on. Now we attach our drain tube to our suction tube. Now we're gonna turn this bad boy to spray. Make sure this is tight. Now we're ready to roll. Get this knob turned to high spray. I got it on medium. After a few minutes, I got it set up, pointed and fired, and was in love. I like to hold it 12 to 18 inches away. Get your plugs taped off. You can see all the holes I missed. It's going on nice. I love this. There you go. Nice. Nice. Now for easy cleanup, we're gonna put the waste into the waste, put the suction tube into the water. Make sure we're in the off position. Let's turn it to prime. We'll turn this one to clean. We turn it on and spray till the water runs clean. I painted these two walls in a couple of minutes. With a few minutes more, I would have painted the whole garage, if it wasn't full of stuff. I guess I'll end up painting this garage
one corner at a time. Now I'm looking at other things around the house that I can paint. So you can see why the M1 is my friend. Plus it's super portable. I could pick it up, pack it around. So I hope that video helped you. If you need help with other projects around the house, go ahead and watch another video or check out the ebook to keep me in your pocket. It'll be the best tool in your toolbox. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.